Okay, hello there, welcome back. What we want to do is just to recap on some maths which is relevant in regards to being an electrician. And I hope you find this information useful. Okay? Now, all we're going to look at here is regards to circles and sectors, so forth. Now, you need to read the information for yourselves, okay, and do the calculations. Now, I don't need to read this out to you because you can read this for yourselves. But make sure that you extract the information and make it your own. Okay? Now again, here I will pan out a little bit so we make sure we get the full text in. Okay? Now again, here you can see that circles has numerous sectors, and you need to be familiar with those sectors and segments. Okay? Now here I made some little notes, so please look at those notes and use them as you see appropriate. Okay? Now here we're looking at finding the circumference or perimeter of a semicircle, and here I've given you the formulation for that, and I'm wanting to give you an example. Okay, I probably should have made an example a bit more, numbers a bit larger, but please do bear with me. Okay. Now again, look at the circumference of a circle. Look at the formulation that has been applied to it, okay? So I should have made these a bit larger, but they should come out okay, I believe. Now these are just exercises that you can do for yourselves, okay? And if I remember correctly, I've provided the answers below. Now you will need to do the working out for yourselves based on the information you have been given from the text. So please work those out for yourselves. Ensure you understand the concept of this. Okay, you'll find that once you've done this, it's applicable in any mathematical situations. Okay. I'll step back a little bit, hopefully to get this all panned in, okay? Then I will go in and just give you a view for each section, okay? Now again, please remember, it's just the way I work, okay? You may choose to do this completely a different way, okay? That's what it's about, okay? Now he's telling you the angle A is the angle in a semicircle, okay? Now and hence it is the right angle. So again, draw the diagrams out for yourselves where appropriate, okay? And again here we're using Pythagoras. And don't remember that B will be equal to A squared plus C squared square rooted. Okay? And here I've given you the solution. Okay? Let me just pan out. Okay? And again here purely is another example again, okay? Let's make sure we can get the text in, okay? Okay, thank you for your time, and I hope you find this information useful, okay? Let me see if I can just make this a little bit bigger at the bottom to be seen. Just bear with me for a second. Let's see if I can make that a little bit larger. Okay, a little bit larger still. 1 second. Okay. Okay. I think that should be about it, I think. Let me try and see if I can bring a little color into it. Okay, and I think that would be us. Oh, sorry, one small bit down there. Did not get. Let's get them back bigger. Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's get it up a little bit larger. Still. Okay, great stuff. Thank you. Good. I think that we can see that. Okay. And just make sure that the information is readable. I might make a little change here as well, I think. Okay, so just bear with me. Hopefully this will do just what we need. Good, thank you. I can drop him down, I think. Okay, yes. Okay, thank you. That's good. Excellent. Okay, hope you found this information useful. Bye for now.